Today we start the Stanley Cup playoffs, and it looks like we're going up against Colorado here in round one. Let's quickly take a look at the playoff bracket, just see what we're up against. So, yeah, Nashville, Dallas, us against Colorado, Seattle, Calgary, and then Vegas and Utah on the western side. Eastern side, we've got Pittsburgh, New Jersey, New York Islanders in Florida. The Islanders were up there. Tampa Bay was up there in the standings most of the year. Then Maple Leafs against Boston and Tampa Bay against Buffalo. So that's the first round. We'll come back to that if we make it to the second round. I hope we do, but you ever know. So let's get right into this one. We should be home, and we are. Colorado in real life is going on a run. I have a feeling it's going to be Colorado and the Carolina Hurricanes. I think those are going to be the two teams that make it to the Stanley Cup in real life. But we'll see in our simulation of the season mode who makes it to the Stanley Cup here. All right, a lot of talking to start. Let's get into this game. Oh, no. Well, don't give him an early goal. We got to get this out. Press him. Okay. So we have the puck. Give him two early shots on goal. All right, we got to bail out. Oh, that was a good shot. Classic. All right, two good one-timers. No, don't give him that. Oh, we just gave that right to them. Okay. We need a line change. I'm going to dump this into the net. We got a few guys switched out here. We got to do a dump in. And this is going to work. We finally got a dump in to work. All it took is us getting to the playoffs. Oh, that was a good save by the goalie. Really intense game to start out with here. A lot of offense, a lot of shots on goal. There's been some first periods where in the entire first period we've gotten 5 shots on goal. Not even halfway through, and that's how many we have currently. Oh, stick broke. That is not ideal. Okay, we got to get back. Let's go up the left side again. Oh no, mishandled.
And there's the whistle icing the call.
Well, the goal light does not go on, and no one can believe it, James. We're going to have another look at it. Man, was that ever electric. This is unbelievable that he can get to this puck. You think it's in the net, then he comes out of nowhere with a sprawling...
Face-off win.
Now he slides it up to the...
Oh, come on. That was either going to be us getting it hit or a breakaway. Had to take the chance. All right, Nazar, let's go. He's gassed.
Past the halfway mark of this period. Still scoreless in this one. Colorado's got it in the defensive zone. And he feeds it down to Kivaranta.
Pressing them a bit.
They go on the attack through center. Makes the easy save with the glove.
Our defenseman kept going back. He should have attacked the puck there.
On the
Get this out.
That's a fantastic sequence of saves there, James. He was
All right, Foligno.
tracked it perfectly.
Tries to the crease. Oh, what a save.
Good shot.
Well, you know he's got the skill set to be able to maintain possession of this puck, but how about the determination, have his eyes on the prize the whole time?
And we were playing really fast.
The coverage to be able to get a shot on net.
A lot going on. It's also been a little while since I've last played this game. A lot of real life hockey stuff going on right now. And skating stuff. So I thought earlier this weekend I'd be able to start the playoffs here, but been at the rink. Oh, here's a chance. There we go. But yeah, I've been at the rink pretty much all weekend this weekend. So yeah, a lot of fun stuff happening in real life. Starting to make strides, no pun intended there, but yeah, really starting to get some of the skating stuff down, getting a lot more confident there. So it's been fun the past couple of months. But moving forward, yeah, our playoff mode in NHL 2004 is done, so we'll just be pretty consistently. Oh, don't let them have this, and that sucks. But yeah, we should be at least 5 times a week be uploading a video of the playoffs here. For as long as we're able to. But yeah, that was a rebound shot, and goalie shouldn't have hit it right to them. Hit it to the side at least, but yeah, gave him a point blank wrist shot. All right, 1-1, no harm, no foul. Let's go. Good shot.
Absolutely love this save, James. I mean, the shooter's at a point-blank range, right in that low slot, and it just taken away. Fran Larceny. Blackwood's dialed in right now. Just have a look at that last save. I mean, he had to be moving extremely well in his crease to be able to get to position to make that save.
Here in the late going to the frame. We are all tied up in this one.
Okay, let's open up a one-timer.
The Blackhawks carried along the wall. That goes off a twig.
Stick broke again.
Passes that goes off a stick.
Or did we break one of theirs?
Into the offensive
I
zone.
think we broke one of theirs. Okay, let's wrap this around the goal.
He's got it behind the net. Zips it on net. Stones him on the play.
Classic's playing with such confidence right now, and he's got this point streak going, and when that's happening for you, you're having a ton of fun putting up the points.
And the centers fly towards the dot here as we got a face-off set to go. Let's it go. Off
Bad shot.
handles the pass from the right side. Runs him home.
Oh, we're gonna fight.
And here comes the knight in shining armor.
Well, this has been a heated game all the way around, and you're looking down, you see that one of your players is injured, you have to defend them.
A pretty spirited
Well,
stuff there.
pretty handily won that one.
To respond, kind of like it.
Well, yeah, it's jumping in for a teammate, and listen,
It's been a little while since we last fought in this game.
Certainly didn't feel that it was a clean hit, so he's stepping in for his teammate and making sure that he's sending a very clear message.
What is going on with the fans? Their arms were like going through the glass there.
This puck drop once again.
Don't know if that's happened a lot or if it's kind of happening right now too. I've never noticed that.
Takes the feed at center and moves forward. Chicago's
Yeah, their arms are like going through the glass.
Bertuzzi's moving the puck
It's
across
weird.
the zone. Reaches out and uses the stick. Nelson's picking up steam. Outside the call, we'll get a reset.
You're gonna have to go back and see if that's happened in every game. It's either I just have not paid attention enough, or that's a new bug. All right, that's going to do it for the first. We should have the lead. Definitely shouldn't have let them score right here. But all tied up. Let them have way too many shots on goal. 10-13. There's a face-off win. Try and break in over here on the right side here with Vlasic. That was a good shot. All right, now we're throwing some big hits. Go around the net. Good shot. Oh man, I thought we were going to get the steal there. Let's get back. And we just give them right to them.
The Blackhawks get a hold of the puck along the boards. Chicago's got it in their own zone.
That was silly.
The puck at the point. Into the corner now. Moves it quickly over to Korchinski.
What was that? Wanted to take the one-timer.
Takes the pass. Sends it to the middle. And that's blocked.
Get this out.
Big time stop there.
Knight's been outstanding. I mean, he gets to position to be able to make that point-blank save.
Just a little too much.
Oh, Bedard's gassed. Or else this would have been an awesome chance. Let's wrap this around. We've got a one-timer. That's not the shot I wanted to take.
Covered up for the whistle, and a much-needed face-off will give them a breather.
Let's have a look at that last save again. It was absolutely incredible. You're under pressure, you're under attack, really under siege, and you find a way to get to the puck. This is the stuff that champions are made of.
All right, won the face-off. Open up this or not.
Quick pass to Bertuzzi.
There we go.
And that's his first goal of the postseason ever. And he'll take it.
It's much needed too, James. You get to the playoffs, you want to make sure that you're
Just passing it around. Maybe that's what we need to do more of. Pass it over, pass it down, pass it over, shoot,
Well, this is just a fantastic shot.
and it went in.
Exactly where to
So now we have the lead.
blocker side. Every goaltender's going to tell you
Again,
it's difficult ones to stop.
we just need to protect it. Oh, just too much going on in front of the goalie for him to see the shot coming in.
Here in the second. Well, yeah, they've got to be a wave of momentum that continues to push and press now, James.
All right, lost the face-off. Oh, we could have got the steal right there.
Can't give any
How did we miss that?
their opponent.
Quick feed to Landeskog. Makes the save.
Sometimes when you have no time to think, you make these types of saves. I mean, there's no hesitation here. Just
What is going on with the puck? That's glitchy.
Feeds it over.
Grab it.
It's a save on that play. Knight's going to give everyone a chance to breathe and hang on to the puck.
We're gonna have to check that
The
one.
game just like totally glitched out right there.
When you're out competing your opponent, you're dialed in. You're so athletic to make those kind of saves.
That was weird.
Rewarded for their high
I don't think there was a recent update
lots of shots, and they lead it here in the second.
to have broken the game. Maybe there was, but that was a few weeks ago, and I never noticed anything then.
Inside the defensive zone. And that's picked off in the neutral zone by Olofsson. Chicago's gained possession along the boards. Slides it quickly to
Here we go.
Cuts to the front. Scores! And they run it back with another.
Back-to-back goals. You can feel the energy, the wave, the momentum, and the tides have turned here, James. They need to keep the pedal to the metal.
Well, we have a 2-goal lead now.
The number one thing you have to do in the game to create opportunity, and it's all about the first
Breakaway, and it's just us against the goalie at that point.
coach is going to love it. With that last goal, you can certainly tell that the coach is not impressed. His team did not start ready and certainly been struggling throughout this game, now down by a few.
Chicago's extended the lead to 2 goals now here in the second. They look good tonight.
Oh, they look great, and I'm not surprised by the score. I mean, they've dictated the pace of play, but it's more about
Been winning
dominated in
most of the
this
face-offs.
They put a lot
Don't skate right into me. Let's move forward. Need someone to pass to.
The Blackhawks played along the boards. 6 by the check.
Couldn't get a shot off.
Hamilton's got the puck in his own zone.
It's about halfway through the second at this point. Big one-timer.
Knocks the puck loose. Picked up along the wall by Dickinson. Moves it over to Murphy. Chicago's got it along the wall.
Move it over, throw it in.
Oh, and he stops that one. That was certainly
Now we've got one-timers loaded up.
nice. Oh, what a hit along the wall.
And that's a clean one, James. A great angle, shoulder to shoulder, and just laid it
You
on
guys
the
are
stick.
gassed.
Murphy's taking it from his own end.
Where's my help? Okay.
Colorado's got
How did he get the steal? I thought the puck would have some momentum going forward there.
Really sharp tonight, James, and you just have a look at his save percentage, and he making the
It's a
stops
bit
and
strange.
the man, this team's played well. They've got going north. They've created opportunities, and the reason why they have a healthy
Okay.
Chicago's been just savage in the offensive zone, and they lead it here in this second period.
Not an ideal face-off to lose.
The Blackhawks get
Got the steal now. Let's move this back. Oh, don't score on ourselves.
Colorado's gonna play it from the
If they score this, we'll be dumb. Yep. I figured they were going to. That was a mistake on my part. I thought there was someone behind me.
Oh man, that's a tough one for the goaltender. He's still looking for it. He's bobbing, ebbing, and flowing because there's so many layers in front of him. He doesn't even get a look at this.
That sucks. But we still have the lead. Just not as comfortable as what we had.
Colorado's suddenly
Okay,
this
let's
is
stop making silly mistakes.
second period.
I know it's cliche, James, but the game is 60 minutes. It's only the second, and they've got themselves within one. A lot of runway to go.
The Blackhawks gain possession along the wall.
Okay, we'll move this up.
Pass to Nazar.
Nazar's got it, and we'll just get nailed.
That hit. And that's broken up by Donato. Inside his own end, moves the puck.
What is going on there? Our guy was just skating right into them. Also, why is the puck just like dying when we get hit? It's not moving forward with any momentum. Where on ice, it should slide forward if we're skating forward.
Slides it on over to Landeskog. Slides it diagonally to Nelson. Spectacular stop.
Gonna play this, and that's not the player that I wanted to take control of.
Taken away from the
But
inner slot.
we'll let that one go. All right, Teravainen breaks in. Didn't get a good shot off.
Possession in the defensive end. And the puck leaves the zone.
All right, we got to get back fast.
Looking to break out. Moved up ahead here in the neutral zone. Teravainen's got the puck. Loses his balance on the play.
Okay,
Hammers it on net.
get it on
As it goes on.
net. Stop staring at the puck. Actually, go after it.
Just stick and close, and that's so frustrating, but he
All
got
right,
there and he gets
that's gonna do it for the second. We've got a 1-goal lead.
Another 20 to go here in this one. Join us.
No mistakes, but of course, nothing new. We've played 82 games of this. Our AI is just absolutely brain dead, so gonna have to try and work around that as well. Yeah, we're all tied up on shots on goal too. 18-18. We've let them have way too many shots. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Skating right into me. All right, Bedard. How did they outskate Bedard?
From one end of the blue line to the other. Tremendous reflexes as he makes the one-counter save. The Blackhawks have it now.
Okay.
Chicago's
We've got the puck. That was a misfire. Get back, Murphy. Don't let him take this. All right.
Working the puck deep inside their own end. Looks to make a play over to Bedard. Just a great defensive read there.
Missed the hit.
Puts it on net. He scores!
How are they scoring on every shot they take?
I love the way that he creates the space with his speed here. And I mean, if you look at him in the way he attacks, he knows exactly where he's going to go. He's driving play because he trusts his feet. I mean, he is so fast. He blows by the defender, and then he puts it in. That's just great from start to finish.
Well, now we don't have a lead at all.
Lots of time left in this period. You can feel the energy in this crowd.
That sucks.
High game. Here's a short
But we scored 3 times already. Let's make it 4.
battle ensues for that loose puck.
No, don't go that way. What is my guy doing? He's just skating away from where the puck's going.
He's stick-handed.
The AI has 0 ability to adapt in this game.
Looking against the half wall. Shot.
And now that we're in the playoffs,
By Blackwood.
I'm allowed to be frustrated again, and that's not who I was passing to.
Landeskog makes his presence known on the ice. Scooped up along the wall by Nelson. And he sidesteps the check there. Stopped by the
Get this
goaltender.
out.
I love how aggressive he plays the shooter on the inner slot here, James. He knows that he's got to take away the net, so he gets out and challenges to make the save.
And some good footwork to kick it away. Can't keep a hold of it.
Gonna lose the zone again. We cannot break in to save our lives.
The pass over.
Oh, and we're gassed.
Frees the puck up. Now into the offensive zone from the right side.
All right, get back.
Picked up along the boards by Mikheyev. Chicago's got the puck in the defensive end. Looking to make something happen in the offensive
Wrap this
zone.
around.
The Blackhawks have it from the corner. Tees it up from the blue line. Blackwood's got the puck and he's going to hang on.
Knights tracking the puck extremely well right now. Just have a look at that last save. To be able to get in front of that puck, to be able to keep it out of the net. Outstanding performance by him on that last one.
And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Taves plays it now. Taken along the wall by Olofsson. And he takes the feed.
All right, get back.
Skates to the crease. Oh,
Get up.
on the play. Wow.
Well, that's a true competitor's save. Just when you think that he's completely out of it.
All right, let's go.
He comes across with a
Come on, Kaiser.
save to keep his team alive.
And as play continues, listen to these fans. They're starting to get loud. Recognizing what we saw not long ago here, Cheryl.
Yeah, James, I mean, they're continuing to acknowledge the save.
Need a line change.
Because they know the temperature.
Some of our guys are gassed.
The fans are now in it. They're all on board, and guess what? The goaltender knows it.
Oh, get this out. We got lucky they didn't score right there.
Find a way to physically and emotionally engage without his fists, James. I mean, you know how effective and how valuable he is when he's on the ice. I mean, look at that scoring chance he just generated. This is the best part of the game. It's really tight. It's down the stretch. One mistake either way will be the difference maker.
Picked up along the wall by
Steal.
Tavares.
Okay.
Along the right side into the offensive zone.
Classic.
For the puck along the boards.
And line change took
Out of the offensive zone.
entire year, so lose the zone again.
Moving it ahead. Chicago's got the puck against the half wall. Nice stop by Blackwood. Colorado's got the puck along the wall. And they continue to apply pressure here.
As a defender, you have to be aware of your opponent and the leverage of your stick, and he activates it perfectly to be able to stop this high-danger chance.
Get the puck out.
Answered the call there.
All right, Nazar, let's go.
Moves the puck along the half wall. Lowers the score.
man.
Well, I really like their game tonight. I mean, you always have to manage the ebbs and flows. When you grind away, you continue to trust the process. You get on.
We got lucky they didn't score right there, but
As a goaltender, you're always working on different exercise, tracking with your
yeah, Nazar lost the puck.
everything that
Bertuzzi was able to clean up the garbage.
too slow getting across, and it hits them and goes to the back of the net. Every play matters in the playoffs, and that go-ahead goal in the third period is certainly something that the coach is reacting about.
It's not one yet.
Adrenaline just surging through him, and he's transferring that energy throughout his entire bench.
The Blackhawks now have the lead here in period number 3, and it's crunch time now.
It is crunch time, and it's crush time, James. I mean, it's been back and forth all game. Now you find
All right, well, wait, why is our guy gassed?
You've killed your opponents, so continue
Get back.
Continue to apply the pressure.
Why did we have a guy that was just completely gassed on the faceoff? That makes zero sense.
In the final moments of this period,
They could have lost us the game too.
over the last few minutes,
For sure a bug.
and off the draw, they'll take
And he's gassed again. What is going on?
slides the puck ahead to Mikheyev. Here they come on the attack. Quick shot. And he hits one of his own teammates with that shot.
Bad shot.
Over to Manson.
And of course our guys don't swap out.
And that one's turned away. Poked away by Kuczynski.
Grab the... Oh my gosh. I tell you.
Knocks him on the play. And we're going to face off after the offside call.
The AI just sits there and stares at the puck. Doesn't go after it.
It's time to shine, and you gotta physically engage. That's right there.
All right, so they pull the goalie.
Official signals for the players to get into position, and we're about ready to drop the puck. McKinnon's won possession, and they'll go the other way with it. Great play by Bertuzzi. Fires to the empty.
And that's going to put it away. What a frustrating game. But we're going to come out on top.
He's been relentless, James, in his playoffs, and you know what? He's found a way to find the back of the net. That's gonna be a huge confidence boost for himself and his teammates. That's a strong effort all the way around, stingy defensively at the end of the game, and they're able to get that empty netter. And it's the dying minutes here, James. It should seal the deal.
Chicago's been the better team tonight, and after that empty netter, that should pretty much seal the win for them there.
Well, I like the way they played in that urgency at the end of the game here. They're rewarded with the
Hold the goalie again.
This one in the bag.
Oh, gets a little piece of it and keeps it out of the net. They score! And what a counter punch they serve up.
You said it.
Well, they want to keep it close, I guess.
Timely response. When you look down your bench, you got to know that there's personnel.
Pretty much everything they've thrown at the net has gone in.
The extra attacker comes on with the goalie out of the net.
What are the fans holding on to? Are those towels? That has to be the laziest excuse of a towel that I've ever seen. That's probably what was breaching through the glass earlier.
Team offensively tonight.
I can't believe they actually put that in. Just leave the fans how they were and don't bother.
Late in this third period. And he's bowled over to the ice and loses the puck. Slides it across. They've got to find a way to get some offense here. They've got the extra attacker around with the goaltender at the bench. Moves it quickly over to Drew.
Get back.
Quick shot. Oh, what a save by
We killed us. 7.2 seconds left.
after the goaltender hangs on.
Knight's doing a great job of making first, second, and third saves, but that's what's also telling you is that the defense has not been there tonight, James. Not doing a good job of protecting the middle of the ice or protecting their goaltender. They're lucky
No.
that he's bailing them out right now. They got to find a way to answer the call and garner their own momentum.
And that's going to do it. We got lucky in this game, I'll say. Very lucky. But we're going to go up 1-0 in this series.
Everyone would, wouldn't they? I mean, it's such a long season. You play it, but then you
So, good start. Good that we won a game like that. We definitely shouldn't have.
figure out a way to get on top.
But,
First game under
yeah, we'll keep this momentum going into the second one. I will see you then.
Hockey in these playoffs, well, they have been intense and they have been electrifying so far. We will see you at the next broadcast. For Cheryl, I'm James. Good night.